Are you really interested in learning and finding the way to learn through online? Oh, here it is, Digital Marketing Place. Best way to learn courses through online. Hey, can you tell me the way to find Digital Marketing Place? Hey, here it is, Digital Marketing Place. Please visit our website digitalmarketingplace.com. In Digital Marketing Place, you can learn digital marketing, web designing, web development, web hosting, general topics, and new technologies. Our process of learning. Search for your online course. Click on the lessons and learn the course. After learning, participate in the quiz. Still having queries? Just chat with us. Thanks for watching the video. Please visit our website digitalmarketingplace.com.